welcome to Faithful Grace Studio. I'm Mindy. I'm the creator here at Faithful Grace. And today in this video, I'm going to be putting together one of the pocket cards. It's a card similar to a journaling card, but it has pockets in it. A couple of different pockets. So this kit is the Bloom Brilliance pocket card kit. It has 3 pages of pieces and then 2 back pages. So these are all on 1 page, and as you can see, I printed them double-sided so that there is design on the back, and the same with these. These were printed double-sided. These did not need to be printed double-sided. These are just little fussy cuts that'll go in the pockets, and I very rarely print my fussy cuts on the 2-sided, but you could if you wanted. And then these are pockets, so these little pockets will go in the pocket card. So we're going to start by scoring, and I'm going to score with my ruler, not a fancy machine or anything like that. I know you guys have seen me do this, but just so you know, you don't have to have a fancy score or anything like that. This is just a metal ruler that I'm going to run right up next to that line and then bend it. It's going to bend the other way, but there's no lines on this side of the paper, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Now this little pink piece in here, that's a kind of a spine, if you will. So we're going to bend this one right up against that one, and then again, actually let's go this way. What you'll find doing this method is that once you bend it one way, it's real easy to bend it the other way. So there. So now we have, so it's got that little spine on the top. And that's just so when I put stuff inside it, it's not bulking too bad. There's room for things to go inside it. So then we'll work on the inside of this. We will put our, and you can put these anywhere you want. Actually, I think I'm going to put these like that, and then this one I need to score will go over here. I think that's what I want to do. And actually, I think I want the score pocket to go here. With that, I'm gonna have to put a little bit more. I don't know what the deal is right here. That one is really having a hard time sticking. And that happens sometimes, but I'm going to put this and that on there. Let it hold it down for a minute while we decide what we're going to do here. So we've got this little card, and then we have 3 of these cards. We put them up top, and then one little card here, and I think let's see. I think I want this to go I'm going to put it at the top. Actually, I'm going to put it on this side at the top. So I'll have to cut that end of that little tab off. because I want it to be at the very top of this little card. So we're going to let that dry for just a second. Nothing we need to do to these, nothing we need to do to this. I'm going to use this probably as the closure, I think. Alright, let's see if that is going to stay. Okay. Okay. So it folds this way. That little spine area right there is what allows this one to fold down over the two that are already there. So folds like that. This one, I'm gonna go ahead and trim off that little end right there. Alright, so this is gonna go, I'm gonna slide this one down in here. You know what? I'm gonna put that one on the front cover. I'm gonna put this right here. And I'm gonna put, let's see, this one is gonna slide down right in here. This one's going to slide down right in here. And then my bow is going to go right there. Kind of in and out. Okay, this one. If it can go down in there. Alright. So then this, how cute is that? So we've got a little spine, we've got the back, we've got the front, we've got embellishment on the front. Open this up and you've got card here. You could put a gift card in there if you wanted to. You could write special messages on the backs of these cards. All kinds of things you can do with it. This in itself would be a fabulous birthday card or get well card or thinking of you, loved you, Valentine's card. I mean, somebody sends me this in the mail and I am excited. So, here we go. There is the pocket card. This one is the Brilliance. I will link to this kit. You can also get this kit as part of a bundle. And I hope you enjoyed watching me put that together. And I hope you enjoy creating your own.